Unearth the power of the 7-day mind balancing plan. Begin your journey to a balanced mind, overflowing with happiness, wealth, love, and abundance. Discover the power within you. The secret to your transformation lies with sleep. A good sleep cycle is the cornerstone of a well-balanced mind and life. Meet our hero, a former insomniac, whose life changed dramatically with the discovery of a groundbreaking sleep hack. Learn from their experience. Unlock the power of our proven deep sleep mind balancing technique. This is the key to rebalancing your energy for a more fulfilling life. Experience the revolutionary 7-day mind balancing plan. Each day of this plan paves the way for a harmonious sleep cycle and energized living. Take the first step towards becoming a magnet for all the good things you deserve. Start your journey with the 7-day mind balancing plan today. Transform your life from the inside out. With a balanced mind and energy, your path to happiness, love, wealth, and abundance becomes clear.